Welcome to Vršac, a charming town nestled in the northeastern part of Serbia near the Romanian border. It's a place where history, culture, and nature intertwine, creating a unique atmosphere that draws visitors from near and far. Vršac is one of the oldest towns in the region with a history dating back to over 2,000 years. It was first mentioned in historical records in the 14th century, and since then it has been a crossroads of various cultures and civilizations. One of the most iconic symbols of the city is the Vršac Tower, which is a medieval fortress that sits atop the hill overlooking the town. We will see that towards the end of the video. This tower, built in the 14th century, offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area. I caught that in video for you too. And it's a reminder of the town's strategic importance throughout history. As you stroll with me through the town, you'll notice the blend of architectural styles from the Baroque and neoclassical buildings in the town center to the more modern architectures here and there. The main square, Trg Pobede, or translated to English, Victory Square, is the heart of Vršac, and it's home to the town hall, a beautiful 18th century building with a distinctive clock tower. It's also famous for wine production, located in one of Serbia's most renowned wine regions, and the local vineyards have been producing wine for centuries. There's an annual grape harvest festival known as Grožđe. I challenge you to say that quickly. So Grožđe celebrates this rich tradition, attracting thousands of visitors who come to enjoy the wine, the food, and cultural events. If you're a wine enthusiast, visiting one of the local wineries is a must. There's also something here for the nature lovers. They will appreciate the proximity of the Vršac Mountains, which is a small mountain range that provides ample opportunities for hiking, cycling, and enjoying the great outdoors. The highest peak, Gudurički Vrh, offers stunning panoramic views of the Banat region and beyond. This place is also home to several cultural and historical landmarks. The Bishop's Palace, for example, a magnificent building that serves as the residence of the Serbian Orthodox bishop. There's many churches, including the Serbian Orthodox Cathedral of St. Nicholas and the Roman Catholic Church of St. Gerard, not quite sure how to pronounce that. And these reflect the town's religious and cultural diversity. For those interested in the arts, there's a theater there, which is one of the oldest in Serbia. They host various performances throughout the year, ranging from classical plays to contemporary productions. Vršac is easily accessible from Belgrade, the capital of Serbia, which is just about an hour and a half to 2 hours drive away, depending on the traffic. Whether you're visiting for a day trip or planning a longer stay, it offers a peaceful retreat with plenty to explore. Why would you want to stay a bit longer? Well, perhaps you're going to do some wine tasting and it's a bit inappropriate to drive back right afterwards. The town's rich history, cultural heritage, and natural beauty make it a destination that's definitely worth visiting. Thank you for joining me on this tour. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful town with me. If you ever find yourself in Serbia, make sure to visit Vršac and experience its unique charm for yourself. Now, there's much more that could be said about this place and the region where it's located. However, I'm going to let the walking tour finish, take you to that tower we mentioned previously, and play some nice music for you. Until next time.